The new income tax bill, approved by the Cabinet on February 7th, is set to be introduced in Parliament on February 11th, sources told Zee Business. This bill will replace the existing Income Tax Act 1961. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman mentioned in her Budget 2025-26 speech that the bill will be presented during the current session of Parliament. She had already proposed a full revision of the 1961 Income Tax Act in her July 2024 budget. The bill can first be sent to the Standing Committee to discuss its provision in detail, say sources. In this video, we will talk about the key points of the new bill. The current Income Tax Act, that is the Income Tax Act 1961, has been in force since 1961. Now it will be completely abolished and a new law will be brought, which will be updated as per the current times. Sources told that a new tax year may also be implemented. The government is considering merging the assessment year and financial year. With this, the rules of tax filing will become easier and streamlined. The new law will be written in simple language so that common people can understand it. The current law is written in 6 lakh words, which will be halved. Tax slabs will not be changed in this bill, which means the current tax rates will remain the same. The tax filing process will be completely digitalized. This will reduce paperwork. The government's focus will be on reducing tax litigation. There may also be a provision to reduce punishment for many crimes. The government will make the tax rules more clear and transparent so that there is no problem. This will cause less trouble to the taxpayers and there will be no need to adopt wrong methods to save tax. The new law will also be clear for foreign companies and investors, which can increase investment in India. The Indian economy will benefit from this. The government aims to bring more and more people to the country's tax system. However, there will be no provision for any new tax in the bill. For more such informative videos, do subscribe to Zee Business.